Yeah. But you're brave. You can manage. Okay, you teach the lesson. Show it your toy. Yeah. You got the situation handled well under control. Let's do it. Let's get it. So you're not afraid of that storm. You just want to play, right? Yeah, say, come here. Up. So you took it away. Get it from him. Uh-oh. What are you doing? There's the toy. I know, you want to bark at the storm. Yeah. You're so brave. You're teaching it a lesson. Yeah. Hey, where'd he go? Get some water. He left you some talking. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you went. You gotta take care of us. Yeah, you teach that storm a lesson, both of you guys. They're big brave dogs. Yeah. Big brave dogs protecting the house, I know. What's it doing outside, Louis? You got that rabbit? Yeah. You're not afraid of the storm. You just want to play with the rabbit, right? Up, tug of war. Up, talking wind. Can we see what it's doing outside? And there's the storm. What are we doing in here? We're watching the storm. Yeah. We're playing with the squeaker. Come here, Louis. We're going to say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Token. Yeah, you little booger-boo. Yeah. He wants attention. Yeah. Oh, tug of war before it's out. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Oh, more tug. So you gonna get a token?